Welcome back, one and all, to another Leal Legacy classic cartoon commentary. Today, we're hanging out with Pooch the Pup, or Pooch the Pesky Pup, depending on how you want to go about it. In the Crowd Snores from 1932, October 24th, 1932, to be precise. Now, I don't really know if his full name is Pooch the Pesky Pup, but I did see that somewhere once, and I enjoyed it. I liked it a lot. Like Oswald the Lucky Rabbit. It felt like that. So, I went with it. But it might just be Pooch the Pup, because I do frequently see that all over the place, too. So, I don't know. I'm just trying not to provide confusion. Hey, look at this. It's a race car. Short. I feel like car racing and plane racing, for that matter, were two very popular subject topics for old shorts. Oh, you should have been in your car, Pooch. Come on, man. Who are you showboating for? You were wanting praise for getting to the front of the line? Is there a doctor in the house? You need a mechanic. A mechanic, not a doctor. And it seems like you've done that before. So why would you call a doctor? You knew exactly what you had to do. You had to play the little reveille on the horn. Come on, man. Come on, fella. Whoa, hey now. Why did that happen? Why did that little guy jump on the big car? He didn't need to do that. To hold it steady just in case? To prevent an accident? I'm gonna believe he was chivalrous. Who's that on the outside? That guy. Here he comes again. Yeah, that one. Oh, it's gonna gum up the works. Watch. Yep. Saw that coming. Oh, it got Pooch. What about that dude that was lapping the track so many times? Oh, ruh-roh. I like how they showed us the wide shot as if we could tell. There we go. Now we can tell. Okay. All right. That first wide shot was the setup. Yikes. Well, that could have been far more offensive. Still not a cool joke, but hey. Could have been worse. Dude, wow. Give it up for the little guy. Is he dead? Oh no. They're gonna take the car, huh? Yeah. Predictable, but not disappointing. I wonder how long that guy's body's going to be there before somebody picks him up. Look at the little scamp. Little Pooch the Pup. Blowing exhaust in people's faces is just like the go-to. And I guess why wouldn't it? It's the easiest weapon you got when you're driving a car, especially one of those old cars. Okay. So far, I'm going to regrettably admit that this is not one of my favorites. I really feel like I've been blown away by previous Pooch the Pup cartoons. Oh, Louie sent him. Who's Louie? How'd you know he knew a Louie? Oh, cheaters, right? I love the animation, though. The story itself is kind of meh, but the animation and just this right here is hilarious. Not just this, but, you know. This is really, really fun. The Louie sent me part, and now this. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. I really feel like gasoline is, not very good sustenance for a car if it intoxicates them. That just doesn't seem right. Yeah. We're 4 feet away from the cop. We can make a break for it now. Alright, back at it. So was that like a drunk driving bit with the cop and the car being drunk? Ugh, it's damaged. Yikes. That can't feel good. Is he just heavy set, or is his car poorly designed? And wait, what's happening here? I don't understand that. I didn't get that. Well, did his fleas have cars too? What was with that? Oh, poor. Is that same bulldog that was kind of a bully? Oh, it was. And Pooch is gonna be a pal. Look at this. We'll make your car a tank. Huh? Nice guys finished last. Oh, look at that. That actually really helped him out. He should be nicer to Pooch. What's going on there? Hey. There's something under your hood, buddy. It's... Hey, use guys. Yeah, use guys. Oh, wait, that's your engine. So they're supposed to be in there. They just weren't doing their job. Hey, use guys. I like that. I'm going to start saying use guys more frequently in just my everyday life. This guy's car has just turned into a legitimate tank. Like, legit tank. It had the tank tires, thanks to Pooch. And then all of a sudden, it's got a weapon system. Why little Scotty dogs? Huh? I'm gonna say this might have been funnier with wiener dogs. Oh, or a cow. That cow was not happy being a car. It's very fast though. Jump over it. Come on, cow. You can do it, or do that. That seems like a far more dangerous gamble, but hey, it worked out. Worked out for everybody. Wow, look at all the Pooch clones in the crowd. Is he just gonna blend in? No, I guess they're not complete clones. But that's an animator who was like, I don't want to make any of these guys look different. Ooh, are they mad at Pooch for winning in his cow car? That's just how it ends. They run him down for all eternity? I guess so. I guess we'll never know if Pooch made it out alive. So still fun. Just not my favorite. If that makes sense. Does that make sense? I feel like it might. Thanks for watching, everybody. LealLegacy.com. Come on over to LealLegacy.com and scope out all the other killer content we have for you. That includes my personal podcast, Leal Legacy's Radnarok. Currently on Radnarok, I'm going through all the Disney animated features and providing watch-along commentary podcasts for them. You can find that across all your favorite podcast platforms, as well as LealLegacy.com for the full catalog. You're going to find like the latest 10 episodes on your podcast platforms. But for the full catalog, full shebang, LealLegacy.com. And while you're there and listening, why not shop around our Skeleton Crew store? Skeleton Crew brand is the Leal Legacy lifestyle brand. And my attempt to bring out my inner Disney. So I've designed characters that are Skeleton Crew staples. Leal Legacy characters, if you will. So my versions of like a Mickey and Minnie and all them, but not mice. I don't know. Hard to explain. Just go check it out and buy a shirt if you like them. Thanks for liking, commenting, subscribing, hitting that ding-dong notification bell. You can find Leal Legacy across all your favorite social media platforms at Leal Legacy. Imagine that. And as always, thanks for being a friend and telling a friend. See ya.